Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing glass effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, I already add the same image to the next page. I just need to duplicate it. Then select the image, edit, scrolling down to the blur, choose the whole picture and set around 70. And now we're just cropping the image a bit, or not in a bit, as we need it. Like this. And select the image again, go into the corner rounding and set it to roughly 70, 71, not important. Then I go into the stroke style and increase the stroke weight to 10, but we will fine tune a bit later, and go into the stroke color and go into the gradient colors, and I set some gradient color like this silver one, and check how is it looks. Actually, is it not bad, but as I mentioned, we can fine tune a bit. Select the color again, go into the settings and change the style a bit, like this one, and going back to the stroke style and just reduce the weight to roughly to 6. Yeah, that's looks better, I think. Yes. And now we just have to add the text and just add heading, glass effect, move into the center, increasing the size a bit, selecting both. First, just change the color to white, then change the font type to London is not good. This one looks good, this Oliver base. Now I'm going to the spacing and reduce the line spacing, and going to the advanced formatting, typography, and I just tried the ligatures. Nothing happens. This combines specific characters elegantly. That means mostly these F's are connected to one, but now it's nothing happened. And go into the effects and go into the outline and give a black outline, and might be the spacing, line spacing, just a bit decreased. Position, middle, center, just move it to the center, and now it's finally done. I really like this small trick in a Canva to create this amazing glass effect. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible, or if it's a bit more difficult, I will create a tutorial based on this request. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great, valuable Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image and also text to video prompts for image or video generation for different kind of AI tools. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can also find a link of my Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find a bunch of short tutorials about Canva. So please also check them. And now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.